Time check. 11:80. Oh, may ubo.
Oh, that's
Bao.
I know.
Push kami.
Dad, why are you recording? Do you need to?
Ano na kayo kapuan? Look for chairs.
And Bo's the one who's really quick.
Okay, punta muna tayo ng
It's only like boneless wing snacks.
Wingstop. Mahirap lang parking.
Are you talking about the all-in bundle? Because they're $16.99.
Yung init ngayon. So, katatapos lang yung church. Punta tayo sa Wingstop, yung order natin. Wingstop. Yung mga order dyan.
Did you need any forks or ketchup?
Yes, please.
Yes. How many?
Seven people. Eh, bago kami mag-hiking, tayo muna ay magwawalis. Yan ang ating walis ng Bo. Okay, walis-walis. Tayo natin yung susundo sa atin. Yan, walis-walis. Yung shoes ko, madumi na. Sa Pinas parang yan. Pang hiking yan. So, time check. 5:11 p.m. October 8, Sunday. Tayo ay mag-hiking sa Anaheim Hills. Walis muna tayo. Walis-walis. Walis-walis. Wala na yung ibon ko dito. Patay na yung isa eh. Ano niya? So, walis-walis muna. Yan. Walis. Oh! Ganda-ganda.
Pero, ang ano ko lang, the dosage is still the same.
Nice car. Sana all. Wow! Woohoo! The car?
Yeah, because somebody dent.
Oh,
Sunday morning. Or Sunday night.
this red car hit
Yeah.
Oasis?
No,
he was parked right there.
Parked there. So what happened is Roy went to doctor
Okay,
and
nandito na tayo sa
You're not there
Anaheim
anymore.
Hills.
So you have a different union for nurse
Yeah.
doctors versus
no,
Vicky. I saw Vicky.
so they can work
Kanya
with the
Hills.
nurses.
They always need the nurses. Huh?
And then they cannot hire that people here are especially the new
The new grads?
the generation now.
Mhm.
They're not that
Oh, we're here
You're not craving.
preparing for March.
Yeah.
May washroom din doon. Oh, yan.
I think I should use it too.
Okay. Dito na tayo. Oak Canyon Nature Center. Yan. Time check. 5:54. Sunday. Pasok na tayo bukas sa work. Anaheim Community Service welcomes you to Oak Canyon Nature Center. Yung mga tropa natin. 4 lang kami. Training. Ito, may restrooms din dito. Okay. Small hike lang to. Heritage Trail. Sama ko kayo sa ating pag-hike. Temporarily closed. What?
It says how many people are in there.
What happened?
Maybe they just put it. They just put it and then people are still there. I don't know.
Can I just eat Pinay?
Should we go up?
Let's ask these guys.
Am I gonna ask them?
We could go this way instead of.
What is this? Oh?
We'll
Old.
go the other way and then we'll shortcut. There's another route, remember?
Solid. Eh? Sarado to.
Yeah. So we usually go up the hill, the mountain, and then there's another trail up there. It's like a rocky
Hi there.
What time do you
Birds feeding. Oh, my bird. Oh, nice. Ganda rin pala dito. Anaheim. Oh, may Victorial. Stream trail. Yun. Parang nasa baryo. Yeah.
Where did you bring your gun?
What?
Did you bring your gun?
Yeah.
In case we
Huh?
mountain lion
Mhm.
or coyote. There's boys already here and stuff.
Pahatas na. Oh, may gagamba. Spider. Oh, ang daming gagamba. Hingal-hingal na. Walang training. Baho.
No, they don't put this in. Huh? This is different. So there's the trail up there, right? Oh, maybe this isn't. Yeah, slow down, girl. Huh? How about us? Remember they said during the sunset, that's when the animals come out.
Walang training.
Yeah.
No training.
Get more training, boy.
I know. I think this is a good one.
Yeah, it's we like it because we what we do is we
And then the hot.
yeah, and it's shady, right? So when it gets hot, it's hot.
In the morning.
Yeah, the morning is the best.
I was ready for 5 a.m.
Who?
I know. I thought it's 5 a.m. Get used to it, yeah?
There's no signal here.
Ah,
We just started pickleball again with Megan and the boyfriend. And oh my god, I couldn't get up for like days. Yeah. I can't bend down. I can't move as fast as I can.
Sabi mo sa to, Friday morning.
Friday morning, eh?
So here, I think the trail. Kala ko bumalik ka kasi may nakita ka.
No, this is it. This is it says Bluebird Trail. Is it? Yeah. Oh, this is the tough one. Oh. There's the jog. And a hill. Hey.
I'm sweating.
No, not really. If you see, you can
Where we're gonna end up? The log. Where we have to go under the log. Over the log, under the tree. I think it's gonna end up.
Pagod na ka.
You'll burn. Feel the burn.
You okay, me?
You okay? What's your heart rate? 120? 130?
125.
Oh, good. That's good.
Because I took Atenolol,
What's that?
my heart medicine.
Well, usually it's not good. Okay, now we're going down here. See? This is not it.
Daddy, hindi ka rin shape. Hindi ka rin in shape.
I'm telling you, this is not it. This is a different route. I don't even see the trail there.
Oh my god.
We need to do it bed for baby.
Uh-huh.
all this exercise every day.
No, but he doesn't have endurance though. It's all weights, right?
Yeah.
Somebody said that
Winumok. Oops. Yoko, yoko. Ah.
Like a dam upstairs.
They're close.
It says you'll be executed.
Uh,
You go through here. You want to go up still?
daming gagamba oh.
Then we take a break.
Yay, break time. Woo!
Careful, this is where mosquitoes bite you if you hold still. Drink some water so it'll lighten your load.
We're gonna sweat with that outfit. Yeah, you got snack.
I'm good. Sometimes I do 90
Kain muna.
hours, but the problem with me, and then I stop eating at 11:30 p.m. But I'm working till 9:30 in the afternoon. But the problem with me is still the food. It's not the thing. It's just like the food that I'm
You're
eating.
sweating?
I know. So I eat everything.
She's not sweating yet.
I'm sweating though.
Oh yeah?
I want to remove my clothes.
That's maybe I need more like.
Yellowstone.
Let's go.
Or what's that?
So we
Jenny
gonna go
Lake.
back there.
Jenny Lake.
We're gonna go back
Where?
to the place where we left the.
I know.
It's too far.
We're like, okay, go ahead, Roy.
Or you gonna give? I'll
But
give
then
you.
Roy's like, oh, never mind.
I'll give you $20.
So, see, this is open right here. Oh, the sunset.
Tanggal na ako ng damit ko. Mainit. Napawisan na.
Go, Rocky.
Woohoo!
Oh,
Sunrise.
like Yellowstone or Sequoia.
I think somewhere like 3,000
Is it?
back and forth.
It's cheaper? But everybody's going? The whole family? Hey, look at the hills. See the houses?
Beautiful.
Oh man, it's turning brown already. Look,
Daming cactus oh.
the prickly pears.
Huh?
Before, remember last week it was red. You can actually eat this, Roy. Remember when we went to Arizona?
Yeah.
That's when we tried the prickly pear. It was easy here. Yeah, so you usually go around the mountain.
Umiikot kami. Ganda ng ano.
Sometimes Joy goes to the
Time check. 6:17. Sunday. Ayan, paakyat na naman.
No, we did. Me and Marmina did it for 2 weeks. Remember we were telling you? This is where we're walking. And then when we got back too, we started doing it little by little. See? You can walk all the way around.
Let's take a selfie.
Oh yeah, there's a one. There's a pretty view in the sunset. Look, I need to get the sun before it goes down. Just hit it.
So just hit it right here.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
You want video?
Yep.
I always tease her that. It's hard to see in there.
Welcome to Oak Canyon.
You know what I mean?
Baba.
Yeah, that is. And then for me, I don't feel hungry. That's why I like, oh.
Sometimes when she wants to eat, she got, vomit.
From
And
one,
then 160, she's now 130s.
oh,
But
see,
she said she stopped it. You know why she stopped it?
she's nauseous.
No, she said that there is like a shortage at Canada for diabetic people.
Oh, I
So she feels guilty. She said like, she's gonna like do it like, but she already lose.
Yeah,
That's,
she did
that's a personal
But if
personal
she
choice.
If she didn't change any of her
diet.
eating
She do
habits
exercise.
Oh.
or exercise, she
What is
could
that?
She do like walk
Yeah.
every day.
Take it home.
could gain everything back if
Yeah,
she
that's
doesn't do her diet change and exercise. That's why for me, I'm already 6 months, The doctor said no more than 1 year, so after 6 months, you stop.
Okay.
And then, if you gain it back, then they're not gonna put it back anymore.
Oh.
So, that's why talagang kailangan
Talagang
exercise na
lifestyle
ako.
modification,
Yeah.
eating, exercise.
Yep, I already
Parang they want your body to be
have
used on
time. Yeah.
like the eating.
Yes,
I think we just need to like a reset.
yes. Reset. Talagang
Right.
reset na.
Madali lang naman yung gusto mo.
What I mean is when you have a reset already, you're not gonna like binge eating.
Yeah.
It's just like we used to. That's why we'll keep on continue doing it.
And then if she lost a lot of weight, and then she watches her weight every time, when she's starting to gain weight, she's gonna say, oh my God, I better stop, right? Then she gonna exercise again, watch
Yeah.
her diet. So you have to just really watch her weight every time. Michelle,
The one in Canada?
yeah. How much did she pay for it, per month? Or?
Free.
Oh, for free. Oh, wow.
That's why Tats is like, what?
Wow.
Kaiser is this one they're straight. Doris
Yeah.
said like I can't do it if I'm only free to do it.
Whoa.
But that's why these people from like they offer you doctors, lab, and then they have their that includes your meal planning.
Hey, look at that.
So but you
Look
need
at
to
the
pay
view.
$2.99.
Where is that at for?
There's a lot ate, like nag-offer online, like that they will send you the medicine. But they will check you first if you are candidate. Like because they said some people they only need metformin.
Yeah.
Some people are like it
Oh,
depends.
this is where we went last time. See?
Which one?
So we went the wrong way last time, and then we came back up here, and then we went the other way. Should we go down here?
No. No, because honey, they're gonna get tired.
No, this is going down.
Yeah, but honey,
But we're not going to go back
no,
up.
but it's gonna be stuck there.
Huh?
Oh, what
Yes,
is in
Jeff.
there? What is in there?
Next time, give me 3 more, 3 weeks training.
Don't talk to them, by the way, they're not gonna come back.
No, that's the easy one. That's like if you want to cut your hiking short.
Oh, I think that's
That's not good. Though.
Itong dalawa, sanay na kasi yan eh.
But we came
Mga
back because
hikers
we're
yan.
like, oh, this is short. I don't think we're going to do it twice.
How did you find this?
I don't know. We just one day we were looking for like trails. And then we just tried it out because we eat over here this buffet. Or you can eat crab and stuff. Before the pandemic, COVID-19, we used to come over here to eat. So right before we used to come here. I have a client that's over there. He's an Indian doctor. Somewhere around there. Then we just tried every route. We went that way, and this way. We like this way better. Because the hill's good for the Good, right? Not bad. And it's shady. It's not like the other ones where it's so open. And that's really bad. Then afterwards, you eat good.
Pasta, seal carbs.
Avocado toast in the morning. Or we eat oatmeal.
I do overnight oats with roast vegetarian. With bottom powder.
Or the powder.
Bottom powder plus you have like you have some paste.
Oh, look at that. It's like a,
My heart rate kind of the first time we just go I feel like my breathing is good.
We try to be consistent. He's more determined than I am. That's why I'm the one who always has to work out. I can walk, but I can't run.
woohoo, Anaheim Hills.
It's like hurt your knee. So they say like you don't really need to do all the hiking, jogging,
Woo! Grabe. Dito na kami sa San Juan, La Union. San Juan, La Union. May mga bahay dun. Ayun. Sarap siguro dyan, no? Yung may bahay. Kanina pataas. It's like an hour hike. Anaheim Hills. Matindi kanina pa akyat. Nakahubad na ako.
Sell her house next year, and I told her like, she said like, oh, I'm gonna fix this one. No, no, don't fix anything. I told you,
Cactus.
if you could talk, you could like, sometimes I got like a good reputation from her.
Ingat lang dito. Pababa na kami. Oh, what is that? Rabbit! Catch it there. That's a rabbit lechon. Yeah. Lynn.
So she trusts you, huh, Koi?
No, because when I told her the lady, the tax woman,
Yeah.
that she's been carrying.
Oh, gagamba oh.
And then when I,
Gagamba.
you know that I didn't
Hindi madilim na.
I told her like, the only
It's dark. Ay, hindi ni. Ano ba? No? May mumu. Woohoo!
1.5 miles. What do you want?
I want some ice cream.
I don't even like feel.
You're not too bad.
So, we're back.
That's why I said let's just go.
You're at your own risk. But
Oh.
there's people there, like in
Okay,
the afternoon.
this is my new car. My birthday car.
Birthday present.
Uh-huh. Lechon car.
Sean. No gas here.
Okay, go in the back. No, no, just